In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a Green Dot Visa debit card. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which card you have issued from Green Dot, such as the Visa debit card or any other product that they offer, you will be able to use it for online or physical purchases in any store where credit or debit cards are accepted. So all that you have to do is first acquire the card from Green Dot. You can find retailers near you by using the function on their website, and after you are done acquiring a Visa debit card from Green Dot, the first course of action is to make sure that the card is active. This process can be done through a variety of ways, and I'm going to show you how to activate it online through their website. Keep in mind that you can also do this process through the mobile app that you can find on the Play Store or the App Store, or alternatively, you can call them at the customer support number and have one of their agents activate the card for you. Regardless of which option you pick, all that you have to do is find the register/activate option. On the website, it's available at the top right corner of the screen. Immediately upon clicking the register/activate option, you will be able to include the 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and the security code. Confirm that you are not a robot and proceed. I cannot show you this full process on screen because it contains personal information, but as you can tell, what we are doing here is making sure that the card is activated. Once the card is activated, it is now ready to be used for in-store or online purchases. So make sure that you have enough balance on your Green Dot Bank account, and when you visit any website or store where credit or debit cards are accepted, you will be able to add the card as a payment method. So as you can see, I'm showcasing an example on Amazon. I went over to my account page, into my wallet, and I selected the option to add a credit or debit card. In here, I can include the card number, the name on the card, the expiration date, and the security code. With all of this done, the card is going to be attributed to my Amazon account, and the next time I finish making a purchase, I'll be able to choose this card as the payment method. As long as there is enough balance on the Green Dot bank account, it is going to be complete, and I'll be able to use the Green Dot Visa debit card to finish this purchase. This works for any website, so all that you have to do is go over to the payment methods and include the card number, expiration date, and security code. If you encounter any problems while trying to do this, contact the Green Dot customer support and they will be able to ensure to you that the card is activated and ready to be used. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a Green Dot Visa debit card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.